This is our inspiration. We are inspired by nature. Our story begins in 1979, when Walter Ferreira Arcanjo decided to create a company linked to sport, which would become the great challenge of his professional life. Since the 1980s, the company has grown step by step, one dive at a time, thanks to the dedication of the Arcanjo family and its employees. Golfinho is today a leading company in its field. We produce all the necessary equipment for swimming pools, changing rooms, and for aquatic rescue and salvage. The Golfinho building is where it all begins. It is from our various production sections that the quality, innovative, and certified products that make the difference emerge. There are more than 2,000 of them, an incomparable diversity. Our team of 50 employees is specialized and dedicated to each task. Our goal? To offer the best to our customers. From Portugal to the world, we export to more than 40 countries and are working to reach many more. Golfinho, inspired by nature.